Hi, this is Matt from Elite SRS Fitness and BuyJumpRopes.net, and today I wanted to show you a new packet that we're including in your order. If you order the 1.3 or 1.1 ultra thin cables, or if you order the bare wire cables, these cables are very thin. They have super thin strands and they can wear rather quickly, and so we want our customers to get as much joy and fun as they can out of these ropes and make them last as long as they can. So here's the 1.1 millimeter ultra thin cable, and for that we're going to use the blue coating on it. Now this is very small coating and it doesn't go on super easy. And once you get it started, then you can just twist it and push and twist and push as it gets going on it. It does take a little bit of an effort, but once you got it on, then you have some serious cable protection on here. All right, once you have enough on there, you can clip off the extra. And then I'm going to put the bullet comp on, and I'm going to slip it right over where it connects. Tighten it up, and as you can see, the cable protector is right inside the handle itself, so where the grip comes down to hold the cable, it's not gripping the cable now, it's gripping that cable protector right over it, so there should be no friction there. It'll keep the cable lasting much longer. You would do the same thing for the 1.3, except you would use the green connector, and the same thing with the yellow connector on the bare wire cable. Note that the yellow cable connector does go on much easier than the other two, but still, it will still clamp down on it real nice and give you some good protection. Now for the heat shrink tubing, simply cut it in half and place it over the cable. And remember, size it first and get a good clean cut before you put the heat shrink tubing over. Take a lighter and go over it, and you'll see it start to wrap around it. That should be good. And you can just push down on a little bit, make sure it's on there well. And then again, you can slide the rope on, tighten it up, and it's got a really good grip. So of all of those, the heat shrink tubing is definitely the easiest to put on, but it's not reusable. Once you've done it, it's done. The other tubing is reusable. You can take them off and on and put them on. But again, it's really important that you get a good clean cut and that you do not have the little strands sticking out. Then it'd make it really tough to get on. So again, that's the cable protection kit we are now including for those who purchase the ultra thin cables and the bare wire cables.